Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world, said Nelson Mandela. St. Agnes PU College strives to provide a well-rounded education that balances academic excellence with vibrant co-curricular activities, teaching essential life skills and preparing students to lead with confidence and compassion. Every morning, students participate in meaningful meditation aimed at calming the mind, reducing stress, and enhancing concentration. Catechism and moral education classes are held weekly to promote the moral and spiritual growth of the students and help them to develop good values. A 2-day annual retreat and holistic education sessions were conducted for the students. Class-wise outreach programs for Agno Angels were organized in order to sensitize students of their duties and responsibilities towards the society. They visited Mother Teresa's home, Cheshire Home, Jeevadana, Balagraha, Olavinahalli Kenga Old Age Home for Destitutes, St. Anthony's Ashram, Little Sisters of the Poor, and Veronica Vihar. The students contributed generously by providing groceries, toiletries, oxygen cylinder, ceiling fan, foot trolley, BP monitor device, and wheelchair. The academic year witnessed several changes. Mrs. Lavina Lobo, lecturer in physics, Mrs. Felicia, lecturer in statistics, discontinued their services to start a new chapter in their life. We express our sincere gratitude to Mrs. Pragati Alva, lecturer in physics, and Mrs. Suhasini P., lecturer in biology, for their dedicated service and unwavering commitment for 31 and 28 years to the institution and the tremendous role played in shaping the lives of countless students. We wish them well in their future endeavors. We warmly welcome into the faculty the new staff members, Miss Apurva, Department of Biology, Miss Sahana and Mrs. Vijayalakshmi, Department of Physics, Mrs. Pallavi and Miss Blessy, Department of Mathematics, Mrs. Ansila, Department of Statistics, Miss Anusha, Department of Chemistry, and Mrs. Jyoti, Support Staff.
An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Benjamin Franklin. To provide in-depth academic guidance and preparation strategies, JEE, NEET, CET classes are conducted by IITians and doctors of Vividya Academy. Coaching for CA Foundation course is held for the students of the commerce stream. An orientation program for the second PUC students was conducted by Dr. Damini Rane, consultant psychiatrist and deputy medical superintendent at Dr. Tunga's Manaswini Hospital, Arkula, Farangipete, Mangalore, who highlighted the psychological and social aspects of excessive social media use. She discussed the signs of addiction, emphasizing the importance of self-awareness and moderation. The toppers, distinction holders, and the symptom scorers of the annual examination were felicitated. Dr. Sister Maria Rupa, Joint Secretary, St. Agnes Institutions, motivated the first PUC students to embrace challenges and strive for excellence in academics. The toppers, distinction holders, and the symptom scorers of the first PUC annual examination were felicitated. Dr. Avinash Kamath, psychiatrist, KMC Hospital, addressed the parents on the challenges the modern day parents face while raising children in a world dominated by digital technology. A career guidance program for the students along with the parents of science, commerce and arts stream was organized by a group of renowned panelists who provided valuable insights into various career avenues. Real leadership is about transforming limitations into possibilities, says Robin Sharma. The college cabinet was formed along with class representatives and their assistants. The elected cabinet members for various portfolios are Rochelle Martha, Student President, Manvita RK, Student Vice President, Vibha Bhatnagar, Science Secretary, Ananya RN, Commerce Secretary, Arij Lulu, Arts Secretary, Sanjana Shenoy, Cultural Secretary, Deeksha Karkera, Sports Secretary, and Ruth Aroza, Student Editor. A workshop on effective leadership skills and team building was held for all the student leaders by Dr. Devi Prabha Alva, Associate Professor in Commerce, St. Agnes College, Autonomous.
Co-curricular activities are the wings that help students soar beyond the classroom environment. Exodium Freshers' Day was conducted by the college cabinet to celebrate talent, unity, and excitement of freshers. Euphoria was a testament to the boundless creativity and enthusiasm of the second PUC students. On the occasion of Van Mahotsav, the Eco Club organized various activities to instill in students a sense of responsibility towards the environment. Alumni Meet was a memorable evening filled with laughter, music, dance, and a strong sense of belongingness to the alma mater. Independence Day celebration was a shimmering display of cultural unity and national pride. Eureka Science Fest, Conclave, Commerce Fest, and Humaniscope Arts Fest was conducted to promote holistic development by blending learning and creativity. On Teachers' Day, students acknowledged the dedication and invaluable role teachers play in shaping their future. Onam was celebrated with great fanfare. Agnathan 2K24, an inter-school and intercollegiate fest with the mesmerizing theme Lucilence, was conducted with great ardor. Students from 16 schools and 18 colleges participated in this spectacular event. Hindi Day and Kannada Day was celebrated to inculcate in students a sense of pride for the national and state language. Gandhi Jayanti was celebrated to honor Gandhiji's life, teachings, and timeless values of truth, non-violence, and peace. Students' Day was a vibrant celebration of creativity, talent, and unity among the student body. Library Week was conducted to enhance students' interest in books and learning. Sports Day highlighted the importance of a healthy balance between academics and physical well-being. On the occasion of International Yoga Day, the students exhibited various asanas and encouraged the differently abled children of St. Agnes Special School and the students of St. Agnes Kannada Primary School in yoga activities. Self-defense classes are conducted regularly by the instructor Reena Ranjit.
The college celebrated 104 years of educating and empowering girls on 22nd June 2024. To mark this joyous occasion, Service Learning Program was inaugurated. The students of humanities taught basic literacy skills to the specially abled children of St. Agnes Special School. They also visited the Vocational Training Center and helped in painting diyas and making paper bags for the Diwali charity exhibition. The English and Kannada department, with a few student volunteers, conducted engaging sessions for the students of St. Agnes Kannada Primary School, where they taught them basic English and Kannada alphabets, action songs, and dance. An interactive session on garland making was conducted for the students of the Commerce stream by the trainers of Sri Manjunatha Art and Crafts Center, Ujire. The science students visited the horticulture unit to get hands-on experience on different methods of gardening. Our college had the proud privilege of hosting the district level youth parliament competition in collaboration with the Department of Parliamentary Affairs and the Department of Pre-University Dakshina Kannada, in which Anagha won the Best Parliamentarian Award. On the occasion of International Day for Democracy 2024, a human chain of over 200 students along with other institutions was formed as a symbol of equality, unity, and fraternity. Cleanliness drive was conducted in the campus as part of Shramadan. Under the patronage of MRPL, a national level cultural event, Jago Hindustani, was displayed by Swar Ninad Troupe, Kolhapur. 18 students attended a district level seminar, Samvidhanada Ashayagalalli Preeti Sahabalveya Payana, organized by Sant Mother Teresa Vichara Vedike, Samarasya, Mangaluru. 20 students attended a 3-day conference, SAPMAN 2024, conducted by St. Aloysius PU College. As a part of the Silver Jubilee celebration of Prison Ministry India, the students presented a poignant value-based skit and a vibrant welcome dance for the prisoners.
18 NCC Air Wing and 12 Army Wing cadets attended the annual training camp held at Alvas College, Vidyagiri and Canara CBSE School. 5 Army Wing cadets attended the annual training camp at NITK Surathkal. 7 Air Wing cadets completed flying sorties and built the control line model under the guidance of aero modeling instructor at the camp. The Army Wing cadets Meghana, Rupa and Yajnashri attended the NCC selection for RDC camp held at Mangalore University College. The Air Wing cadet Bhagyalakshmi Nayak attended the SSB interview at Sagara and was selected for the SSB coaching camp held at Bellary. We offer exceptional opportunities for students to thrive, hosting diverse competitions like English and Kannada creative writing, essay writing and debate, Janapada and Bhavagite, cartoon making, mono acting, painting, Hindi creative writing, chart making and skit writing, cooking without fire, lantern making and rangoli. Club activities are held under each subject to explore and cultivate the passion of students across diverse fields. Presenting a snippet of the achievements of our students in the intercollegiate competitions, Sanvi Kotyan bagged first place in poster making competition organized by District Health of Family Welfare Office, Dakshina Kannada. Sanjana and group first place, Nalipu Navile, Artidonji Dina, Nitte Institute of Hospitality Services. Daritri and group second place, Groovit Dance Battle, Mangala College of Allied Health and Paramedical Sciences. Arenza Mendonça third place, Livia Colasso Consolation Prize, National Space Day, St. Aloysius College. In Vikarshana 2024 Management Fest organized by Vikas College, Ruth Aroza Best Manager, Chaitali and Ansha Marketing Event, Jeevanya and Diya HR, Manvita and Trupti Finance, Ananya and Group Treasure Hunt, Fatima Photography won the runners-up trophy. Agnofest Vibranza organized by St. Agnes College Autonomous, Ananya and Group first place, Tales of the Wild movie spoof. Aisha and Dhwani first place, SCI Find Science Related Treasure Hunt. Fatima and Shifana first place, Green Tales Reel Making. Manvita and team first place, Seeds of Change Dance. Leona and Shinal second place, Symphony of Seasons Singing won the overall championship. Under the aegis of Abhaya Women's Forum, various programs were organized. A session for the students on organic farming and vermicompost. A talk on Nature, Our Future. Counseling session by Dr. Meena Lobo. Girl Child Day, Grandparents Day. A talk on Mental Health, Strong Mind for Better Future by Dr. Ramila Shekhar. Samarasya Harmony Day.
Each victory on the field reflects the commitment and skill of our students, showcasing the vibrant sports culture. In the Taluk level table tennis tournament organized by Chaitanya PU College, our college team emerged victorious and has been selected for the district level. Nala Fatima, Prapti and Sanjana were part of the team. In the district level table tennis tournament organized by Govindadasa PU College, Surathkal, the team won the winner's trophy and Nala Fatima and Prapti are qualified to play for the state level. In the state level table tennis tournament, Nala Fatima played the selection match and is selected for the national level. In the Taluk level shuttle badminton tournament organized by Sri Narayana Guru PU College, our team won the runners-up trophy. Tiana is selected for the district level. The district team won the winners' trophy. In the district level basketball tournament organized by Presidency PU College, Nirmarga, the district team won the second runners-up trophy. Zaha has been selected for the state level. In the Taluk level volleyball tournament organized by Presidency PU College, our team won the runners-up trophy. Huligemma was awarded the best all-rounder. Huligemma, Swedol and Arpita have been selected for the district level tournament. In the district level Dasara tournament held at Uchila, Diksha Karkera won the first place in 50 kg freestyle wrestling and was selected for the division level. In the division level Dashara tournament held at Scouts and Guides, Mangla Stadium, she bagged the first place. In the district level wrestling tournament organized by Yenapoya PU College, our team bagged the runners-up trophy. Diksha Karkera, Michelle Pereira and Tanushri secured the first place in the 50 kg, 53 kg and 57 kg category. Sanvi Shetty secured the second place and Priola D'Souza won the third place in 76 kg and 68 kg category. Reena Desa and Aishat Afifa won the third place in 62 kg and 71 kg category. Diksha, Michelle and Tanushri have been selected for the state level. In the district level belt wrestling tournament organized by Yenapoya PU College, Mithali and Diksha garnered the first place and have been selected for the state level tournament. In the state level belt wrestling tournament organized by BGS PU College, Chikkaballapura, Mithali secured the bronze medal. In the Taluk level athletics meet organized by Besant PU College, Sneha garnered the first place in hammer throw. Michelle Pereira and Tanmay second place in 800 meters and hammer throw respectively. Sneha, Michelle and Tanmay are duly selected for the district level athletic meet. In the division level Dashara table tennis tournament, Nala bagged the first place. At the state level Mysore Dashara Cup 2024, Nala clinched the gold medal in the doubles table tennis tournament. In the Universal 369 International Karate Championship organized by TSKA, Abhiksha Shetty secured the second place in Kumite and third place in Kata.
Learning never exhausts the mind. Leonardo da Vinci. A 2-day staff enrichment program, New Horizons, was held for all the staff of St. Agnes PU College, St. Agnes CBSE School and St. Agnes High School. Sister Maria Latika, Principal, St. Cecily CBSE School, Udupi. Mrs. Helen Menezes and Sister Juliana, Teachers, Mount Carmel Central School, Maryhill. Sister Gloria D'Souza, Lecturer, St. Agnes College, Autonomous. Sister Janet Siqueira, Vice Principal, St. Agnes PU College, Sister Lenita, St. Anne's Convent and Sister Meena Fernandez, Vice Principal, St. Agnes CBSE School were the speakers. A one-day workshop on artificial intelligence was conducted for the staff by Father Anil Fernandez and Mr. Leo Victor. A staff enrichment session on service learning and approach to education of the heart, head and hands was conducted by Sister Dr. Dorothy D'Souza, Principal, St. Anne's College of Education, Autonomous. An informative staff input session on how to create a positive learning environment was conducted by Dr. Meena Lobo. Sister Noreen D'Souza attended the conference for the principals of the Apostolic Carmel congregation at the Diocesan Center, Jaipur. Sister Janet, Mr. Matthew, Mrs. Venetia, Mrs. Prima, Miss Carol, Miss Reina, Miss Blessy, and Miss Sahana attended the Tech Team workshop conducted by Deepit Kundar and Mohammad Safwan, Sierra Learning Academy Private Limited. Miss Carol, Miss Blessy, Miss Sahana, and Mr. Joel attended a seminar on empowering pre-university educators conducted by Nitte NMAM Institute of Technology, Karkala. Miss Likita and Mr. Ashwin attended a session on Train the Trainer conducted by Swastika National Business School. Mr. Matthew and Mrs. Pramila conducted a session on Mastering the Interview Brain Power Bootcamp for the students of Nitte University. Dr. P.V. Shobha received Hindi Kavya Ratna in the International Poetry Competition organized by Shabd Pratibha Bahukshetriya Samman Foundation, Nepal. She was honored in the Hindi Poetry Competition organized by Prerana Hindi Pracharini Sabha, Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. She has been the secretary of the DKPU Hindi Lecturers Association for the past 4 years. She has been invited as a subject expert in a few schools and has also judged various competitions held at Delhi Public School, MRPL. She has been the chief guest and resource person in NITK CBSE School, Milagres College, Canara College and Government PU College for Women. Mrs. Shailaja was awarded Uttama Kannada Sadhaka Shikshaka Prashasti, Karunada Kannada Kalasiri Balaga, Bengaluru. She was the resource person for the students of St. Agnes CBSE School and a judge for the Teachers' Talent Competition at the same school. Mrs. Avita cleared the KCET exam 2024 in psychology. Staff attended workshops conducted by various subject associations of PU department. Dr. P.V. Shobha and Mr. Jeevan, Department of Hindi. Mrs. Shailaja, Department of Kannada. Mrs. Venetia, Miss Venisa, Miss Reina, Miss Fiona and Miss Anusha, Department of Chemistry. Mrs. Shubhavani, Mrs. Prima and Mrs. Asha, Department of Computer Science. Mrs. Avita, Department of History. Mrs. Ramya and Mrs. Pallavi, Department of Mathematics. Miss Likita, Department of Home Science. Mrs. Jyoti, Department of Political Science. Mrs. Shobha and Miss Raksha, Department of Biology. Mrs. Chaitanya, Department of Physics.
Achievements are the milestones on the path of excellence. Our students have secured an overall percentage of 98.45% with 258 students achieving distinctions, 352 securing first class and 52 centums in various subjects in 2nd PUC Annual Examination 2024. Anjali R. Rai topped the science stream with a phenomenal total of 592 upon 600 with centum in computer science and Kannada and has made us proud by securing the 7th rank at the state level. Ashmita Pereira topped the commerce stream with 590 upon 600 with centum in accountancy and secured the 8th rank at the state level. In the arts stream, Alisha Timmaya achieved an extraordinary 590 upon 600 with a centum in psychology and 7th rank at the state and 2nd rank at the district level. Many of our students secured centum in one or more subjects. Ananya, Tanushri, Rajata, Naura, Tanvi, Harshal, Anika, Neha, Shri Raksha, Avril, Bindya, Zena, Dhrati, Jainaba, Fiona, Aksa, Divya, Elfrida, Gautami, Rishika, Disha, Minna, Andrea, Geetika, Dhanya, Sushmita, Pooja, Velaska, Rupali, Lita, Atira, Jia, Vinishya, Aisha Amani, Susan, Rema, Aditi, Ashmiya, Chandni, Ganga, Mahima and Afshin. Parent-Teacher Association. At the annual general meeting of PTA, Mrs. Lydia Lobo, Administrator, Link Rehabilitation Center, highlighted the crucial role the parents play in their child's overall development. The toppers of the 2nd PUC Board Examination 2023-2024 were honored along with their parents. The subject teachers of the toppers were also felicitated on the occasion. We are grateful to Professor Jocelyn Lobo, the Vice President of PTA for the year 2023-24. Dr. Divya Damodar has taken over as the new Vice President and the committee continues with the same zeal. On the occasion of Teachers' Day, the PTA organized a fun-filled program showcasing their deep love and respect.
As we move forward, we remain dedicated to fostering an environment that nurtures intellectual growth, inclusivity, and leadership. Our collective pursuit of knowledge and improvement ensures that we are not only meeting the current needs of our students but also preparing them for the evolving challenges of the future.